Said, hey y'all, we got this mukabang going on, baby. Set it up and out
That's so sad.
today, boy. What you need? Oh,
Hello.
you got as usual. What y'all think? Let's all say it together. Steak, yeah. You cooked it on the grill, baby.
On the grill, baby. Look at that child. Video.
You got it sliced up. I played with it a little bit. It just ripped in my hand. If I had to gum it, no. If I had to gum it, I could gum that bad boy. Well, I had some leftover. Let me move this water.
Show them yours.
I had some leftover zucchini and mushrooms. My baby made, oh Lord, I need my little holder.
We got that
baby
vegan
made me
ranch up in
some
there.
corn, some potatoes, and cooked me some shish kebab on the grill, baby. Now Darius over here. Look at him, look at him. Look at him.
Vegan steak with my vegan corn and vegan mashed potatoes.
All right, I said my grace.
He got a gravy, y'all. He got a homemade gravy on here. Got some bell peppers, some mushrooms. I thought I was gonna be able to put some on my
Can't mess with that.
on my potato. Potato. It's got butter in it.
My bad.
The
I
thought
was
of
making
that.
a gravy. I'm sorry, babe.
You can make gravy with just oil and water.
I ain't never did that. I had to experiment on you.
I got my vegan butter on my potato and my corn. I offered it to them.
I had already put that butter on mine, so I ain't want to waste your butter.
No, thank you.
Nobody wants my butter. It's okay. My stuff is still good.
See, ooh, the fine fresh corn, baby.
My zucchini, and sometimes I dip it in barbecue sauce.
That extra sweet. Extra hot.
But my baby taught me to dip them in, what's it called?
Shrimp cocktail
Shrimp
sauce.
cocktail sauce. The mushroom now.
Get that
And it's
twang
the
to it.
bomb.
Good, ain't it?
D, you should try this vegan stuff. It's healthy for you.
I'm eating vegan corn right now.
That corn got some butter on it, and I know it.
The corn vegan, the butter not.
We ain't playing.
My steak vegan though.
You want to open? How your steak vegan? Vegan nothing.
Because the cow's eating the grass.
That's exactly not how it works. No, it's still cow. I don't care what they eat. No. Y'all see what I had to deal with? Yeah, I'm not.
Grass fed
They
cattle.
choose not to be vegan. As healthy as it is.
That's why that steak so tender. That corn sweet.
Got some vegan sauce on my corn. Vegan Parmesan. I was a little daring and I put a little crushed red pepper. I wanted to
Spice it up a
Mexican
little
corn. I love corn.
Just hit them strips here like that way you do your steak.
It's all tender. I forget to chew something.
Yeah, I'm out here smacking by the camera. We might have should have put him on this side of the mukabang.
On production.
How's your stuff, baby? Is it right?
And that, real quick red pepper.
See some of that fat vegan lady sauce on that corn, y'all. I don't know what y'all missing there. Y'all better get y'all some.
Lord have mercy, damn. Baby, I can't find a video when you say happy birthday to Miss Harris. Can you tell her happy birthday again?
Who got the Miss Harris video?
I don't know. You know I got so many videos on my phone. That's why I post so much at one
Happy
time.
birthday, Miss Harris. I'm so sorry. My wife be so busy. You know, she wears many hats.
We still love you though, Miss Harris. But if I ever find it,
Well, yeah, because
And
I
I
saw
ain't
Miss
video.
Harris a song, didn't
I don't remember. I just know you did something for her birthday.
How you treat Miss Harris like
I'm
that?
sorry. I'm sorry.
Mm-hmm.
I just can't. It's so many videos on my phone.
Well, happy birthday to you.
Onions good.
Man, off that grill.
I don't even
right
like
there.
onions like that.
Man, baby, I told you when you grill them, they be sweet.
Be you alright?
Right, yeah, baby.
Baby.
Started to do a steakhouse.
I had me a good salad today.
Did you?
They have made a mistake and put cheese on all the salad.
Oh, Lord.
You think I didn't pick that cheese off that salad? Much as I could. I had me some grapes.
Vegan grapes.
I had brought some carrots and cauliflower and stuff from home to dip in some
I
dressing.
wonder why you take those string beans with you.
You know I eat string beans. I had some apples,
I know what you
cranberries. What else I had on that salad? It was so good.
Look at that, y'all. Let me let y'all see that there.
Rip it, baby. Let me see how it rip.
It's ripping in my mouth. Look. I'll see, put it.
Look at that. Oh, Lord. Make you want to eat steak when you're vegan. No, I don't want no steak. I would never no big steak.
You better just melt in it, dude.
I don't know why I don't eat my potato like that, but
We hungry?
No.
gee, that steak nasty. I don't know why you playing.
Nasty. As long as you think it's nasty, the most steak I get.
How they get a whole steak, baby?
Baby, Jules had this fantastic sale. We was gonna have hamburgers off the grill.
Thank you,
Not seeing them steaks. Porterhouse. Oh my
What'd you
goodness.
say, boy?
I said thank you, Jules.
I thought you said thank you, Jesus.
Jules had it going
Them
on
too.
today. I said, we had to do hamburgers another day. What I can do with these steaks. Woo. Butcher came out, he's like, this is a great sale. I'm like, oh, I was just cook hamburgers today. We're going to be eating steak tonight,
What
bro.
kind of steak was it? It was off a big.
Porterhouse, I know about that too. Porterhouse, you got both steaks on both sides. You know, I be complaining they cut the meat out the side of your T-bone.
You ain't find no vegan porterhouse.
Nah, they ain't came up with that one yet. Man, the flavor of that beef. I'm sorry, baby.
Why you trying to act like it's that good?
I'm sorry, I shouldn't be saying that. People don't think I'm bragging. That ain't even the case. I'm just enjoying this bad boy.
Maybe the scientists can clone you some vegan meat.
That was gonna be easy.
I don't need the science to do
That
nothing.
clone stuff.
I eat fresh fruits and vegetables before I do that. Do you need some of this vegan ranch now? Not for real though.
Oh, yeah.
Now the ranch is good. You need to stop playing. It ain't mayonnaise. Oh yes, yeah, vegan man.
The Lord said everything He created was good.
Taste it.
And this steak ain't gonna fail.
I got a little pepper in there. Ooh. Ooh, that corn sweet. You say you got it from where now?
That glass top stand over there on
It's
Rupert
open
Street.
still? Glass cup?
No, he be at that Hayes hot dog by that place where he sell
Oh,
tacos.
I didn't know
dude.
that. I was
Yeah,
wondering.
he sell vegetables right there.
I wonder where he got his place at, because he sold the,
I think that might be the guy that bought it. I don't know. I ain't
well, he
gonna
sold
ask
the
you.
place.
Had a half a dozen for $5, a whole dozen for $9.
And you cut it up, shucked it, and did all this, baby.
I'm tired.
I just want to thank you.
I want to sit down and eat. I'm so ready.
Thank you, baby.
You welcome, man. I know you appreciate it. For my loved ones, you do that. My butt feeling it, but I've been busting cells on the grill, on the stove. Oh.
Lord, when he do it big now.
Look at that, child. One more time. Oh, man. Ooh. You know I'm eating that. I don't even play, baby.
Baby, leave it.
I would have gave it to the dogs, but it didn't hit the floor.
Ooh,
Not
Jesus,
just
leave
like
it,
my
baby.
table
Leave it
off.
like you
I
told
wiped
me.
it off.
Leave it. Oh, my gosh. That's funny.
Y'all worse than the fast food commercials.
What?
Out here making everybody hungry on the line.
That's what everybody be saying when they see me. Like, y'all got us some hungry. We need want some of that food.
For real.
It don't be looking that good.
I didn't think about that. But when you tell me
Ooh,
that.
lady from church, Sister Cheryl be like, I be wanting them that. Ooh, that food be looking good.
Sister Cheryl.
Sister Hale. Huh? It be good. You know, I always exaggerate. When it's good.
It's good too, y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Be over there leaning back a little bit. Work a
Once
little.
you eat all that steak, I'm gonna whoop your butt.
What happened to your chicken? What happened to your chicken you cooked all night last night?
That's gonna be the focus.
What kind of
Later
chicken
on
you
the
cook?
night.
There's some stovetop chicken.
Some breast or something.
Oh, chicken breast. Well, get your own stuff. Don't be eating our stuff.
They like shit, chicken
Nice.
and waste.
You put some barbecue sauce on it.
Yep.
Remember, we got nothing else.
I don't want to wear the chicken breast on.
Trying to get back on my diet, but shoot.
It ain't big.
My bad, son. My bad. I can't help you with
Oh,
that.
no. I can eat steak. That's protein.
We finna start back working now. You got that flab like me, right?
Yeah. Time for the age, guys.
I'm sorry, y'all.
It's still beautiful to me, baby. That's all
Thank
that
you,
matters.
baby.
Eat. Get your pieces of deep steak.
I see his bone over there when I look over that way.
That mug exposed, ain't it? Bitch gonna tear that bone up. I see all that meat on that bread, boy.
Don't eat no meat now.
I'm gonna eat this bone myself.
Y'all have
Bitch at the
everything
door,
but the
y'all
bone.
waiting. He's like, oh, my daddy cook? I know I get some scraps when my daddy cook. When my mama cook.
Ooh.
Y'all gonna say my vegan food made the dog sick. It didn't. It didn't.
I ain't gonna eat those.
Man,
I just thought.
that was crazy, baby.
I think it's I think his stomach was just already a little
Toe up already.
perturbed.
Disturbed.
Ooh.
It was disturbed.
It was disturbed after that. Deterred. Baby.
I didn't bother me.
I got you extra corn because I know you ain't had much to eat.
Thank you.
Eat all you want. Eat all you want. And we got some yellow meat, baby. Oh, tell about it, baby.
Yellow meat watermelon. Y'all, what y'all know about that yellow meat? Gotta have seeds. It's seeded.
That's right. Don't buy me nothing. Ain't got no seeds in
My
it.
baby would not eat no seedless watermelon.
That's that scientific stuff.
It'll make it easier for you to eat. That's what they say.
I'll take this extra time. That
They
baby's
got
out.
no
Y'all don't want the watermelons Walmart selling that's exploding?
No, they can have it. Everybody charging too much for it anyway. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Baby, the corn was
But
good.
this is good.
I get you right to time, baby. I'm like, what am I feed my wife? I had me a big old sirloin, what did I say?
Porterhouse.
Porterhouse. I'm had the biggest ones here, bring them out. He just give me the best ones. I'm like, ooh, wait, ain't no burgers tonight. $12. Man.
We still got you a steak and got them some burgers.
I'm ready to be bogus.
Oh, man.
They been looking at my
You been
porterhouse.
noticing that your stuff is going little by little.
Right. I'm to get the pictures on it. This is a wrap.
Hawaiian steak.
Oh, that Hawaiian steak. Ooh.
Oh, man.
Ooh.
It was good down to the last bite.
Man, he got me that time. Oh, I couldn't say nothing good. I tried my hardest to say that steak, didn't I, baby? I was 30 slices, little thin pieces. I'm going to stop right here.
Messed up.
Your mama had a whole steak in there. What did he get? He get mine.
That was meant for me.
Oh boy.
Where was we at?
Earl's or
Steak was
something.
called by my name.
I mean, what city were we? We was at a family reunion.
Oh yeah. I don't forget.
Oh my goodness, it got the little downtown the strip.
Memphis?
Was it Memphis?
I don't remember.
Oh man.
I done forgot, but that was the best steak I ever had to this day.
Me
That
and,
half a steak.
me and my brother-in-law, Ronte,
Oh man.
we a little frugal. Let's just
Oh my
we a little
goodness,
frugal.
y'all.
We went out to eat. Me, him,
The lights
his
was
sister
dim,
Vanessa.
candle lit. Perfect
and Ronte, my
atmosphere.
brother-in-law. We go to one restaurant. I don't know what was wrong with it. It was gonna take too long for us to eat. We go to this one. They don't have the money on there like you would think as far as how much the stuff costs. That's how you
Baby
know
was
it's expensive.
tripping. Don't worry about
like,
it.
where the
She ain't
price
paying
is
for
at?
nothing. She was tripping.
I don't care if it ain't my money. I'll still be like,
We
what?
don't treat ourselves every now and then. It ain't all the
We
time.
look, Waffle Bus, me and Ronte looking.
That was funny.
Ain't no dot, 0, 0. That's just that. Like that. We like, that's the price. Oh, we could go down the street and find another. Above him, his sister was like, no, we stand right here. We eat right here. Yeah, he fussing. You ain't paying for it. I'm like, oh, baby, I'm just trying to save some money.
I like that in
Them
baby.
steaks
Don't
were
get
so
me wrong.
good. I had a good steak too.
Man, yeah, you did.
I don't remember what kind I had
Oh,
though.
you missed out on that Hawaiian, didn't you?
He let me taste it though. It was the bomb. It was
Man.
thick too.
Man, yeah, like, ooh,
Tender.
just cutting little, man.
So he's saving some for later, put it in that refrigerator.
No, trying
Was
not
we
to
at
eat
the
all
hotel?
that steak. Yeah. I woke up
He woke up
smelling.
thinking he was gonna get him some breakfast
No, I
with some
smelled it.
eggs.
It woke me up. He was done with it though. No, I instantly got up and looked in that refrigerator, see which one he ate. Of course.
Thanks, son, for not eating my steak.
Man, that joker been loving good steak ever since.
Hawaiian steak.
Man, yeah.
They ain't ask nobody.
No one wasn't on here. That joker got up, got down, and the D was full. He was straight.
Called my name. Just get your paws up.
Step on me.
Mr. Swole.
Step on me.
The slowest pit bull that ever gone.
All right, y'all. We done smacked